everyone. So today we are going to discuss a topic that's very important to the both employers and employee, which is overtime pay. Overtime pay refers to the additional compensation given to a worker who extended to the standard hours in a work week. It's a way to compensate employees for the extra time they put in beyond regular working hours.
Definition of overtime pay. Overtime pay describes the additional pay given to employees who work beyond 8 hours. The Labor Code of the Philippines sets a worker's overtime pay rates at 25% of their hourly rate on regular working days. But this rate can change if a company or the collective bargaining agreement, such as a legal contract between a business and a workers' union, sets more generous pay rates. Now, let's talk about the rates. Overtime rates are often calculated as a time and a half, which means employees earn 1.5 times of their regular hourly rate for each hour of their overtime work.
Mentioning double time. In some cases, especially on holidays, on certain days designated by law, employees may be entitled to double time pay, which is twice the regular hourly rate for each hour worked beyond the standard hours.
ADR, applicable daily rate, 700 pesos, ang hours niya 12 hours. Yung formula natin is 700 divided by 8, times mo sa 125%, times mo sa 4 hours. So, 87.5, doon mo nakuha yung total nun sa 700 divided by 8, times mo sa 1.25, times mo sa 4 hours. So, yung 87.5 times mo sa 1.25, ang sagot niya is 109.375 times mo sa 4 hours na ano. Ang total niya is 437.50 overtime pay. O, ayoko na mag-explain pay. Ikaw na bahala dyan.
Ito. Yung ADR niya, 700. Yung working hours niya is 3 hours. Yung overtime pay niya is wala pa. Ito yung formula natin. Yung 700 divided by 8 times 125 times 3 hours. Yung 700 divided by 8, ito yung labas equal 87.5 times 100, 1.25 times 3 hours. And 87.5 times 1.5 equal 109.375 times 3 hours. And lalabas sa kanya is 328.125. Ito yung overtime pay niya.
Ayan na mga P. Ito, balik tayo. Formula, ADR, divide sa 8, times 125%, times ano to, kung ilang oras siya nag-overtime ng araw na yun mga B. 610, yung minimum rate niya ng araw na yun. Times 8 is equal to 76.25. I-times mo ngayon sa 1.25. Times 3. Ano ba yung 3 dyan? Yung overtime yan mga B. Lumabas to 85.94. Ano ngayon ang overtime pay? Siyempre, pagpa-plus mo yan 610 plus 285.94. 95.94. Ayun ang overtime yan ng araw na yun, B.
Nakikita niyo ba itong papel na to? Malamang nakikita niyo yan. Yung nakalagay dyan sa papel na yan, yun yung formula. ADR, divide mo sa 8. Ito times mo sa 130%. Ito times mo ulit yan sa 130%. Ito times mo yan. Kung ilang oras ka nag-overtime, nagagalit na, nagagalit na. Ito yung solution niyan. 600 divided by 8 equals 75 times 1.3. Ito times mo ulit sa 1.3. Malamang may sagot yan. Ito, 126.75. Times mo yan sa 4. Dahil 4 hours ka nag-overtime. Oh, ito yung sagot niya. Nakikita mo, ang laki-laki niyan. 507. Oh, ito naman tayo sa baba. ADR plus overtime. Ipagpa-plus mo, 600 plus 507 equals, ano? Sabihin mo! 1,107. Para kang di nag-grade.
Benefits of overtime pay. Overtime pay serves as an incentive for employees to take on additional work when needed. It also compensates them fairly for the extra time and effort they put into their jobs, helping to prevent burnout and maintain morale in the workplace.
Understanding overtime pay and its rate is crucial for both employers and employees to ensure fair compensation and compliance with labor laws. If you have any question or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to your HR department or legal expert. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay informed about your rights and obligations regarding overtime pay. Have a great day.